Woodpeckers keeps earning its reputation for tight accuracy and rock-solid build quality. Today, we are checking out their newest woodworking tools that can help you work cleaner, measure faster, and get more reliable results on every project. These picks are great for beginners and experienced woodworkers who want tools they can trust. You can find all the links to the tools featured in the description box below. Let's dive into the list.
Precise layout work is the first step toward flawless joinery. When you're doing layout for either hand or power tool joinery, there's no better choice for the job than Woodpecker's Pocket T-Squares. Woodpecker's Pocket T-Squares are milled from a solid billet of top-quality aluminum tool plate. The reference edge extends 3/8 of an inch to either side of the blade for increased accuracy. The 1/4 inch deep lip gives a positive reference, but doesn't run into your workbench even when marking up thinner stock. The center of the Pocket T-Square blade has an array of precision machined holes on 1/32 inch centers. Just drop the tip of a mechanical pencil in the correct hole and slide along the edge of your stock for perfect parallel scribing. Also notice that the edge is beveled at 30 degrees, putting the scale right down next to your work, right where you need it. These are nimble tools, easy to work with, comfortable in the hand, whether you're working on big projects or small. The Pocket T-Squares are available in 3 sizes, 3-inch, 6-inch, and 8-inch. The scales are graduated in 30 seconds, and the scribing guides are on 32nd-inch centers. If you prefer to work in millimeters, we have metric equivalents of all 3 sizes, with 1 millimeter graduations and the scribing guides on 1 millimeter centers. Each size is available individually, or you can get them as a set. The set also includes a Pocket T racket, so your Pocket T-Squares will always be in plain sight and ready to go to work. Woodpecker's Pocket T-Squares, precise layout tools, as handy as the pocket in your shirt. Order yours today. Woodpeckers offers solutions to 2 common thickness planer problems: end grain cutting boards and boards that are wider than your planer, Rout-N-Plane, and Rout-N-Plane XL benchtop board mills. End grain cutting boards hold up in the kitchen better than face grain boards, and you can do so many cool things with different combinations of woods. But leveling an end grain cutting board should never be done on a joiner or thickness planer. It doesn't work, and it's very dangerous. The better approach is to use a router sled. Woodpecker's Rout-N-Plane benchtop board mills keep your router a fixed distance above your workbench. Just feed the router across the board, move down just a little less than the width of your cutter, and make another cut. Other projects call for glued-up panels wider than your planer capacity. Workbenches and coffee tables, for example. Rout-N-Plane XL handles boards up to 24 inches wide with most routers. Rout-N-Plane adjusts for board thicknesses from 3/4 of an inch up to 3 inches. Just slide the tabs into the end plates and tighten the knobs. An adjustable fence keeps Rout-N-Plane square to your board. The router guides adjust to keep any size or brand of router properly centered. You can use any sort of end-cutting router bit. Woodpeckers makes a wide variety of spoil board and slab flattening bits from 3/4 of an inch up to 2 inches. One of them will match perfectly with any router you want to use. All you need is a relatively flat table with a smooth surface. Clamp your board in place with the included slab clamping dogs and put Rout-N-Plane over the board. Just move Rout-N-Plane to line up your router with the uncut section and slide across. Keep that up until you've covered the whole board. You'll get a perfectly flat surface ready for final sanding. Repeat on the other side, and now you have flat and parallel sides. Both sizes of Rout-N-Plane work with just about any router ever made. Smooth and level glue-ups in any grain direction, and adjust to a wide range of thicknesses. They're a great addition to any shop. Order yours today. When laying out complex joinery, you often need to mark both the face and the edge of your board at the same dimension. Most squares have a thin shoulder you can use to make a small mark, but aligning and transferring that line invites inaccuracy. That's because traditional squares work 2-dimensionally. Woodpecker's 3D multi-marking square takes your woodworking square to a whole new dimension. If you love our Delve square and our mini square, this tool's for you. With the 3D multi-marking square, now you can mark both the face and edge of your board at the same dimension. The long legs and wide surfaces keep the tool stable, even on thinner stock. And with this same tool, you can check both inside and outside corners for square. We mill steps into the blade cutouts, allowing you to mark 1/4 inch, 3/8 of an inch, or 1/2 inch marks without measuring anything. With your project laid out, the 3D multi-marking square makes a stand-up assistant for machinery setup. Its long legs reach past any troublesome table inserts, allowing you to reference the table while you set your blade or bit height. And the wide legs provide a solid reference when adjusting the drill press or bandsaw table to square. Each 3D multi-marking square is precision machined from solid aircraft-grade aluminum. We manufacture and thoroughly inspect each one right here in our shop in Strongsville, Ohio. Your joinery is three-dimensional, so why isn't your layout tool? Order your Woodpeckers 3D multi-marking square today. Looking for piston fit accuracy even when working on larger projects? Then you need Woodpeckers BigCal 12 and 24-inch woodworking calipers. Lock in dead accurate measurements in seconds with Woodpeckers BigCal woodworking calipers. BigCal's jaws align perfectly between the inside and outside references. This means you can transfer critical dimensions without ever even looking at the scale. Whether you need a rough measurement at the start of your project or a critical dimension on something that's hard to measure, BigCal delivers machinist-style measurement even on larger projects. We make BigCal in 2 sizes, 12 inches and 24. We engrave the stainless steel blade with both 1/32 and 1 millimeter scales. Turn BigCal over and you'll find scales starting at the other end, allowing you to take depth measurements. And the scribing notch allows you to transfer that dimension precisely without ever even reading the scale. That's not all. Slide the adjustable jaw away and your BigCal instantly becomes a T-square. Like all Woodpeckers products, each BigCal woodworking caliper is made right here in Strongsville, Ohio, carefully assembled and inspected by our team and shipped directly to your shop. Measure like a machinist even when you're working on bigger projects. Order your BigCal today. Improve the accuracy of your woodworking with a simple, economical upgrade to your table saw. Woodpeckers StealthStop Miter Gauge. The standard miter gauge on most table saws leaves a lot to be desired. The reference fence is too short, and there's no way to repeat a cut. Many also have a sloppy fit in the miter slot. But here's a replacement miter gauge that delivers the features you want at a price you'll love. It all starts with a miter gauge bar designed to work perfectly in any miter gauge groove approximately 3/4 of an inch wide by 3/8 of an inch deep. The leaf springs in the edge of the bar adjust on the fly to give you a perfect fit in slots that are irregular, too wide, or even a little too narrow. The head has 13 laser-accurate positive stops for the most common miter angles. Just depress the index pin and your angle snaps in place perfectly. The back fence extends from 20.5 inches to 29 inches. You can position the StealthStop anywhere along the fence for repetitive cutting. The thumb wheel micro adjuster lets you dial in the perfect position for the stop. The stop is completely out of the way until you need it. Then it snaps into position, ready to set the length of your cut. By flipping out sideways instead of down from the top, mitered ends can't lift the stop out of position. If you want to support your material all the way through the cut, you can add an optional sacrificial end block. They're available in 3 packs from Woodpeckers, or make them yourself. If you already have one of our StealthStop miter gauge fences, or you need a miter gauge without a fence at all, you can get the StealthStop miter gauge without the fence. Woodpeckers StealthStop Miter Gauge. Affordable accuracy for your table saw.
That's the full lineup of Woodpeckers tools we covered today. Each one brings solid precision and thoughtful design to help you get cleaner results in your projects. If you want to check out any of the tools mentioned, you'll find all the links in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more woodworking videos and tool breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.